Nah. I'm already concerned about that. I've talked to you in confidence.
Bir şey dedim, 100 geldin.
Yeah, you can. I need that check. Yeah, under control.
Might be finding God. Let's find out.